Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Creating a light and bright home is about maximizing natural light, choosing the right color palette, and incorporating reflective surfaces to enhance the sense of spaciousness and airiness in your space. Here are 10 tips for designing a home that feels open, inviting, and filled with natural light. Maximize natural light. Start by maximizing natural light in your home by keeping windows unobstructed and opting for sheer curtains or blinds that allow sunlight to filter through. Consider adding skylights or expanding windows to bring in even more natural light, especially in areas with limited access to sunlight. Choose light colors. Opt for light and neutral colors for walls, floors, and ceilings to create a sense of openness and brightness. Whites, creams, soft grays, and pastel hues reflect light and make spaces feel larger and more airy. Consider using a consistent color palette throughout your home to create visual continuity and flow. Use mirrors strategically. Incorporate mirrors strategically to reflect light and create the illusion of space. Place mirrors opposite windows or in dark corners to bounce light around the room and make it feel brighter and more expansive. Choose mirrors with decorative frames to add style and personality to your space. Opt for light-colored flooring. Choose light-colored flooring materials such as hardwood, laminate, or tile to brighten up your space and create a sense of continuity. Light-colored floors reflect light and make rooms feel larger, while also providing a neutral backdrop for furniture and decor. Incorporate natural elements. Bring the outdoors in by incorporating natural elements such as plants, wood, and stone into your decor. Houseplants add freshness and vitality to your space while also improving air quality. Wooden furniture, accents, and stone surfaces add warmth and texture, creating a harmonious connection to nature. Layer lighting. Layer different types of lighting throughout your home to create a bright and welcoming atmosphere. In addition to natural light, incorporate overhead lighting, task lighting, and accent lighting to illuminate different areas and create depth and dimension. Add personal touches. Finally, add personal touches and decorative accents to make your home feel warm and inviting. Incorporate soft textiles, plush cushions, and throw blankets to add comfort and coziness to your space. Display artwork, family photos, and cherished mementos to personalize your home and make it truly yours. By following these tips for designing a light and bright home, you can create a welcoming and uplifting environment that brings joy and inspiration to your everyday life. Embrace natural light, choose light colors and reflective surfaces, and keep your space clutter-free to enhance the sense of spaciousness and airiness in your home.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!